Hey YouTubers, I have only one hand to use right now, except to hold the other. Oh, stupid Tony. I have to hold the other one in this thing, you know. So if I drive bad or anything bad, then it's not my fault that it's really hard to do it. And if you know what this is, well, I'm telling you anyway. If you don't, it's Ballad of Grand Theft Auto Ballad of Gay Tony, and I love this game. Stupid taxi, you bitch ass over here, motherfucker, bitch, fucking taxi. See, leave this out of your shithole. And oh shit. I was too focused on the camera now. Fucking taxi. Hey, ass over here, you bitch. Fucking get the fuck over here. I'll kill you instead. Yatch! Shit. Fucker. Well, I'm gonna be driving on this thing, you know. Oh, shit. I almost fell off it. Oh, come on. Shit. Here. Then the end of the video is when I'm dead. And I'm dead probably now. I died. Woohoo! Yeah, good. And I have this on crappy mode on my thing, but nah, I'm gonna still play. I'm gonna blow myself up with these sticky bombs. And I'm gonna activate them. Haha, motherfucker. Haha, motherfucker. And I don't have my camera on good graphics. It's actually my camcorder. A lot of my other videos, all I did was use shit. I used my, whatever it was called. Well, one more kill. Hey, what's on the ground? Look down. What? Okay. Subscribe. I said subscribe. Fucking subscribe now.